Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial for the Asphalt Legends Unite game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your existing account to regain your previous progress. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Asphalt game on your device, and once you open it up, from the main menu, just click on the gear icon at the top right corner. Now within the settings page, underneath Gameloft account, just tap on Connect. Now within the Connect button, you will see two different options to connect your account. You can either use your Gameloft account or your Xbox account using your Microsoft ID. Just click on whichever option you prefer, and you will then be taken into the login. Now just sign up through the next button if you already have an account. Click on Continue. Choose the sign in or login option if you already email address, and then just enter your email address that is associated with that you are over 16 years old. Proceeding forward and accept the email address, you will just check your inbox within the email address and enter the verification code. And once you enter the code, just click on your inbox. Now you will be allowed to create your given name and also choose an avatar. After entering your username and choosing your avatar and all of your previous progress, bottom section will now return back your account has successfully. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on the Asphalt Legends Unite game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.